This is an O-level question. You are given this circuit, and you can see that we have an air conditioner in parallel with a refrigerator. The power of these two appliances is given to us, and we can see that there are two fuses. There are two fuses installed in this circuit, one X and one Y. X protects the whole circuit, and Y protects just the refrigerator. Yeah, in part A, you are supposed to determine a current rating for fuse X. This means that we must determine the current, the normal current, normal operating current that passes through X, which is the current of the whole circuit. So to determine the current, we are given the power values, we are given the voltage to be 230 volts. We can use P equals IV to determine the current through the air conditioner, and we can do the same thing for the current through the fridge. So you get these two current values. You add them up, add these two current values up, you get the total current that passes through the whole circuit and passes through fuse X, and that is 8.67 amperes. So that is the normal operating current. We would have to choose fuse current rating that is slightly higher than that. So 9 amperes or 10 amperes or 11 amperes, these are suitable answers for your fuse current rating. In A part 2, you are to calculate the amount of energy in kilowatt hour. If you use the refrigerator for 15 minutes, use the energy equation, E equals to power times time, taking care to put your power value in kilowatt, because your final unit is kilowatt hour, so you must put the power value in kilowatt. So 200 divided by 1000, that gets me the power value in kilowatt. And the unit for time should be in hours. So 15 minutes divided by 60 minutes will get you 1/4 of an hour. So this is how you can get the amount of energy used by the refrigerator to be 0.050 kilowatt hour. Now in part B, what happens when you short circuit the refrigerator? So you connect a wire from P to Q, and that means that P and Q touches each other. You are essentially short circuiting the refrigerator. So the current will flow through P and Q instead of the refrigerator. This means that the total resistance of the circuit now drops drastically. It decreases drastically because by right, the current is supposed to pass through the refrigerator, but now it doesn't. So with a very low total resistance, the current drawn will therefore become very, very big. This means that fuse X will blow because the current drawn is very big due to the short circuit. And fuse Y, nothing will happen because all the current is now passing through PQ and not through fuse Y. So it will not burn because there's no current passing through it. Both appliances will stop working. For refrigerator, there's no current through it, it will not work. For aircon also, because fuse X would have burned and broken the circuit, so no current will flow in the whole circuit.